Hello everyone, it's Lindsay and I'm here with an unboxing of the newest Creative Retreat Kits Faith Art box. This is the kit for April and let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at everything that's included. It's super cute and the theme of it totally goes with all the rain that California is getting right now. So the devotional content, we'll start with that, is Love Pour Down. It's written by Danielle Wiggum, and Ashley from Mag and Me, she did the artwork for the kit this month. So the devotional content, Danielle is talking about some parenting experience, some scary parenting experiences that she has had, and she is bringing our attention to the story of Jesus and his disciples crossing the Sea of Galilee, and there's a big storm, and how Jesus calms that storm. And so we're talking about, storms and how, God's got us. He's got us, and he is going to calm the storms and protect us through those storms. And so there are several verses for us to check out. There's plenty of verses up here for us to check out, and then some prompts that you can work on. You can either sit down and do it all in one sitting, break it up into a couple different sittings if you want to do multiple entries. So you do have that. And then, of course, the fun print on the back that you can use to punch out tabs and shapes and things like that once you're done with the devotional content. So to go along with the storm, everything is blues and yellows and rain and super cute. So cardstock stickers, we've got, of course, the word fetty with some really fun various fonts and rain, wash over, pour down, some great ones to use, lots of water theme here. Some wonky hearts, a label, and then some big words. These are scripted words created by Ashley. You've got love, pour down, and these fun little wonky flowers that you can play with. Those are super cute. I love the color mix this month. And then you've got a sheet of alpha stickers. This is a different shape for us. So you've got these little circle tile alphas in this really pretty kind of light blue color. So that is fun. So there are the two sheets of cardstock stickers. The stamp set that you get this month is so cute. You've got these little rain boots. You've got love, pour down, and they're separate, so you can kind of use them on their own in different ways. And then some smaller words, my, over, me, wash, away. And this is a font that we've seen before, so pull out your old stamp sets and you can kind of mix and match your words if you want to. You've got the little raindrop. This would be a great texture to create patterns in the background and that kind of thing. And then those little wonky flowers. So cute. It'll be fun to see how you guys use the little rain boots, stamp them in different colors, emboss them, give them a shiny look like galoshes. It'll be super fun to see how everybody uses those. And then you get your two little bow clippies. You've got the blue polka dot. Oops, I'm throwing mine. And then the white pleather. Super cute. Love that. So there is a look at everything that comes in the Creative Retreats Faith Art box. If you're not already following the Creative Retreat blog and YouTube channel, be sure to go over and follow those. I'll have them linked down below. There is a creative team that I'm a part of, and we create content, blog posts and videos and things like that using the kit. So that will help you kind of get inspired. See, everybody on the team has very different styles, very unique ways of using the products in the kit. And it's always so fun to see how they use things in ways that I never would have thought of. So definitely follow the girls over there and see what they're creating. Head on over to Creative Retreat Kits to get signed up for the kit this month, and leave me any questions or comments you might have down below. Let me know what part of the kit you're most excited for, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.